morning everyone, we are the students of class 7B and today we are going to perform the activity of physical and chemical changes with some examples and experiments. Physical change. Changes in which no new substance is formed but there is change in the physical property of the substance, that is known as physical change. Physical changes are reversible and non-permanent changes.
An example of physical change is tearing of paper. Tearing of paper is a physical change because when we tear a paper, it changes shape and size, but didn't form a new substance. The property of paper is remain same. That's why we can call as a tearing of paper is a physical change.
Another example of physical change is the heating of copper sulfate. This is burner, this is wire mesh, and this is stand. This is copper sulfate in blue color. Now, I will heat this copper sulfate to show how the water is evaporated from this. See how this copper sulfate is turning into white color. See how this copper sulfate has turned white in color because the water of crystallization has evaporated from it. Now I will show by dropping some water in it how it will show the reaction. When I will drop water in it, it is converted into blue color. It shows that it is a physical change, and when I heat it, it becomes white, and when I put water in it, it again became blue. This shows it is a physical change.
Chemical changes. Changes in which a new substance is formed having properties different from the original substance is known as a chemical change. Chemical changes are generally irreversible and permanent. Such a change is accompanied by generation of energy through the form of heat and or light, evolution of a gas, or change in color.
An example of chemical change, burning of paper. Burning of paper is a chemical change because new substances like ash and gases produce which they cannot change back into paper. Here is a burning of paper is a chemical change. His paper is chemical change because ash is formed, ash and gases are produced which cannot change back into paper.
Here is another example of chemical change, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. This is magnesium ribbon with a tongue, that is burner, that is stand, and that is petri dish. Now I will hold this magnesium ribbon over the burner. It will burn with the presence of oxygen and gives out a new substance, that is magnesium oxide. So it is a chemical change because it produces new substance, that is magnesium oxide. As you can see, the white powdery ash from the magnesium ribbon is formed, that is a new chemical. Thank you.